Check out these little babies. This is going to be better than Better Homes and Gardens.
Today's the 1st of November.
You put one seed in, or?
Yeah, one. You're supposed to dig a trench and just sprinkle it out along the trench.
You just had to go at Better Homes and Gardens, and now
I've got the oracle here to tell me how to do it.
Now just get a stick.
God.
So what you got to do is dig
Father
a trench.
versus son here.
Apparently you got to dig a trench with a stick.
Why don't you leave the gardening up to your dad?
I've got to have some hand in it, so when I'm eating it, I'm like, how good are these tomatoes?
Oh, just like the
That
eggs.
I grew.
Yeah.
Your eggs.
Dad's actually cheated a bit. He went to Bunnings and bought all these pre-ones. I'm doing the old school.
We'll see who has the better tomatoes. So King, you're just going to fertilise this and putting topsoil.
Already got took back in it.
The farm's looking good today. Just want to show everyone Troy's trench skills. Just get the smallest stick you can find and run it up and down the soil.
Well, I'm not digging the Westgate Tunnel here. This is beetroot.
Now we're going to know what's what. God! A worm just went over my thumb and I thought it was a snake.
Ooh, that's loaded.
So, Dad, what are we doing tonight?
Just hooking up the bonfire, mate.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, don't try this at home. So what I'm going to do is put fuel on the fire.
Okay.
Fuel on the fire,
Yeah.
and I'll run a line out to about here,
Okay.
and then I'm going to light the line,
Yeah.
and then I'll go up. So I want you to stand back there.
Alright.
Jesus, crack at your boot.
That was a good one.
That's a bonfire.
There, you get that going, Mick.
Yeah.
Don't use that much, it won't light up.
Yeah.
Because it soaks into the ground. The ground's so wet.
Okay, so Troy's gone to light the bonfire, and I said, I'm not coming outside because I don't particularly like it being lit. It's not the safest process. So anyway, I've been cleaning up around here in the dining table after dinner, and I've heard this almighty bang. But no one's run to the front door yet, so I think everything's okay, but I'll take you down and show you what it looks like. So going down to our bedroom, now you can see how bright it is outside. That's how big this bonfire is. Oh my lordy. Sorry about the dirty windows. I know Harrison's got the GoPro going. Bloody hell, that is humongous. Yeah. Won't be taking the dogs out there just yet.
This is all the material around the farm that's fallen down over the last couple of months with all the storms.
Yeah.
And we need to clear it up before the fire ban comes in.
Handyman to nothing.
some nice heat coming out of that. It's actually a perfect night for it. Very still. Beautiful. And Laura's actually inside editing the next video, and she's missed out on this one, but never mind. There's plenty more to come, and this will go most of the night, even into tomorrow. So always check the wind and everything, what's happening. It's going to be a still couple of days, so we're laughing. And it's just nice to get out in the open. What's happened to it?
Well, you may as well.
Well, we actually don't know what happened to it, but the reason why there's a tarp there is because we bought it. Laura took it to Bendigo to have a service and fix a couple of things on there because we're selling it. And we noticed when we had it in Melbourne, we're not sure whether or not someone's damaged it. So there's no door on there at the moment. Well, that's just the screen door. So I had to tarp it up because the weather here is just crazy. But someone had put dints all in the door, so at the moment the door is at my factory getting professionally fixed.
For free.
Nothing's for free. Let's remember that. Before you think this is like a lolly water drink, it's actually one of King Billy's. He makes some gin, and it's watermelon gin. It's so nice. It's so tasty. Well done, King Billy. I'll kick back, relax with my watermelon gin, and try to explain to the best of what I remember of how it all come about. But so I grew up in the country, and I've lived in the city for a very long time. I have a young son there, and always had an itch to get back to the country and be a bit more self-sufficient. I do love the city life, but I was fortunate enough that when COVID hit, that I found this property here. And my father, he lived in country town as well by himself in a massive family house. So it was time to sort of try to help him out and talk to him about building his own little house on this piece of land here. And so that's pretty much how this has all come about, and that's how I've got Dad down here, and I'm in the city a fair bit for work and stuff, and then come back down here, and Dad sort of looks after the animals, the cattle and the sheep, and also the chooks and everything, and he loves it because he gets to walk around, and we're on the phone all the time, and he's asking me which paddock to put the cattle in, and it's a godsend for me because, you know, otherwise I need to be down here full time. But the grand plan is to actually live down here in 5 or 6 years once my son has finished high school, and he'll make his mind up on what direction he wants to go in, and he might even want to come down here. That'll be great. But that's sort of how everything evolved, and it's happened so quickly, and then COVID hit. And I was down here in lockdown for a long period of time, and then I was fortunate enough to actually meet Laura down here. Her parents have got a property around the corner, and we just hit it off. You know, Laura's all about travelling, and she had her own YouTube channel and stuff, and I had my YouTube channel with a mate of mine, and we hit it off straight away, and we were quite fortunate actually to meet, both of us really, because we just get along, we have the same interests, we both want to travel, we both want to go around Australia at some point, so we're going to do a couple of big trips next year and film it all for you guys, and hopefully you get on board and like what we do and throw some comments in there, and we're just two normal people So like I said, we're very fortunate that we met down here and were able to establish a relationship very quickly because of COVID, and we really got to know each other really well, and we're both really happy, and our families are really happy and stuff. So we're just so excited about the future and what it brings. So we want to bring you guys along on the journey, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't say much more than that. Just if you watch our videos, don't forget to say hi, ask us what we're up to, come along and see where we go. Happy days. Thanks for checking in.
Cheers.
Come and see how big the lambs are now. Loud.
Keep it down. Keep it down.
Hi, lammies.
This is Trevor.
That's the black one, and these are the two. I know.
I reckon she's stuck over there because of the water.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we've had some crazy rain here, like it's unbelievable.
We just cleaned this up last week.
Yeah, it's unbelievable, but I think even speaking with everyone down here, they haven't seen anything like it for decades. So it'll be nice to actually get some nice sunshine down here.
Can you actually hear anything he's saying?
Laura's brought out the Japanese safety boots for the occasion. This is Dad's house. It took about 4 weeks to build. The company was amazing. They were really good. All the permits and everything were done. And they even come with a swimming pool. He doesn't really like to swim in it though. So we'll come in and we'll say hello to King Billy. A carport's coming here. We're going to have a big water tank over here, which will actually irrigate all the paddocks in the summer months. Not that we need it at the moment.
Sit. Sit. Down. Molly. Molly, look. Sit. Oh, good girl. He's a good girl. He's a good girl. He's a good girl. Sit. Molly, sit. Yeah. Good girl. Thank you.
I love your kisses. Up, kiss. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, Buster.
We just had some ridiculous weather, so we're making the most of it. We're only down here for one night, and tomorrow we're actually heading off for our anniversary, our belated anniversary, at the wonderful Japanese retreat up in the Dandenongs. And who got you that, babe?
Someone special.
Yeah, so we thought we might as well lash out. We've been in lockdown for quite a while now, and it's nice to get out and do something together. And
As if we haven't spent enough time together.
yeah, I know. This is the whole reason why we're doing this video, actually, to explain how this all come about.
Yeah.
And you're right. Like, we have spent a lot of time together, like heaps of time.
You better be saying that with a smile on your face.
and you know, like any relationship, definitely has its moments, but we love it, and we love everything about each other, and we're happy to keep chipping away. Oh, Melbourne's really turned it on with this weather, seriously. nice place. Time for a nice relaxing massage. How was your massage?
It's very relaxing, darling. Very relaxing.
Very good. We got plenty of brownie points. Yeah, mine was really good. So relaxing. Okay, time for a beer. You really need to aerate the tea. Would you like a little sweet?
Oh, turkey still up?
Bit of turkey?
I've never had it before.
Cheers.
Cheers, darling. How's your asahi, darling? Not sake?
Yeah, that was quite funny. So, the lady, these are supposed to be our pre-drinks, and we obviously got here late, so the lady came over once we'd had our massage and said, oh look, what drink would you like? And I said, I'll have an asahi. And she goes, would you like that cold, warm or hot? And I'm thinking, that's strange. Never had hot asahi before. But anyway, it turns out she comes back with this little shot, and she thought I said Asaki. I'm looking at this little shot, come, where's me beer? And yeah, I had a little taste of the Asaki, and it was quite strong. I reckon I'd be shit-faced by 3 o'clock, and it's only 2:20 now. So yeah, got the Asahi. Laura's gone for the champers.
Yep.
And we'll be off to our room accommodation very shortly once we've had this. Sakura. Of course, the Hilux is in the way. Alright, I'll give you a bit of a tour. This is our little accommodation for the night. Sakura. That's the bedwar.
On the floor.
On the floor. I might struggle getting up off that later on, but we have our little Japanese.
It looks a bit small too.
Japanese table. I might give that a go actually. We'll see how we go. Hang on, just got to do the konnichiwa.
Sure.
Careful where you put the camera. Look,
Oh, I'm supposed to make our own tea.
look, it's fair to say, I don't think we'll be using this kitchen table for much because, you know,
It's a bit.
they're not built for big Aussie blokes. But the thought's there. It's quite nice.
It's a nice room.
Okay, so we'll take you into the bathroom. Covered. What have we got? That's all the remotes for the television.
We've got some nice relaxation music going.
Yeah, YouTube won't out us for that, surely. And come into the bathroom. It's so nice. Got a nice little Japanese garden outside. Beautiful cedar walls. And the shower is huge. But that's not all. We'll come through. There's the toilet.
Oh, I thought it was a sauna.
It's quite interesting because when I did my apprenticeship in furniture restoration, I worked for a company called Made in Japan, and we used to do thousands of these paper doors. So
Really?
it brings back some memories.
This is your traditional Japanese.
Yeah, it feels so clean.
Okay.
So obviously when you come into when they bring you in to explain everything to you, they, you leave your shoes outside, so you never have shoes in here, apart from your slippers that they give you, and our
Amazing.
gowns. So these gowns you can take home with you. And this is the kitchen, little kitchen area, and every single thing in the kitchen is complimentary.
So what have we got?
We've got a nice little array of fig and ginger jam, some nice nuts, some crackers.
The crackers.
For crackers, of course. Some Lindt chocolate. Laura's not a massive fan of Lindt chocolate, so no doubt I'll be smashing those.
I was going to say give them to Mum.
We'll give them to Laura's mum. And some almond bread.
Interesting.
So that's pretty cool. Got the coffee machine. Under here is the bar fridge. And the best thing that she said was you can have whatever you like in there.
Everything's complimentary.
All complimentary, so no doubt that'll be getting a workover. Got some soda waters there. You all know I love those.
Nice cheese platter.
Yeah, we can make a cheese platter. So we'll take you into our private mineral spa, which is pretty cool, pretty exciting. So we can use this as we please. Have a nice little day bed here.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's got fairy lights. Okay, darling. Let's just give them the real... I'll just give a little test. Okay, it's wet. That's not a good start.
Well, we have had a lot of rain, so...
Oh, but it's really cute. Like, we could be out here tonight having a little drinky poos.
Yeah.
A little chatty. Not sure about the cobwebs up there. That hasn't been cleaned in a while. Oh my god. That's a well-grown spider web right there.
Never mind. We'll have a look in here.
This is a good feature. Having an umbrella over the spa so you can use it even if it's raining.
Yeah, that is good actually. Or you can move it around if it's really hot and stuff. So.
Alright, darling, you can do the test. Oh my gosh. What's it like, darling?
It's so nice, it's so warm. Yeah, beautiful, happy days. This is to live in.
Now that is amazing. So we're in the Lakeview retreat, so we look at this beautiful lake here. But through here is the Balinese retreat, which I'd love to experience one day, but maybe for another anniversary.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't have thought so. This is a once-off experience.
Maybe going to Bali's cheaper.
Do you want me to work till I'm 90? Yeah, all in all.
How nice does that look down
It
there,
is
though?
very peaceful. Okay, back from dinner. Six courses,
Yes.
which Laura will put up here somewhere with all the menu and everything else. The food was actually quite good. Did you like the food?
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
And I'm not a real Japanese person, and I don't particularly
she's clearly not Japanese.
I don't particularly like seafood that much. So they did cater for me, and I got some lamb? No, beef rib and chicken when Troy had the seafood.
Yeah, I had the ocean trout and some scallops, I believe. And it was quite good. The food was quite good. I must admit, the staff really tried pretty hard. They were young staff, just learning, I think, and I think that made it hard for them. But all in all, it was a good experience. It was nice to come home to this, so I'm sure that'll get a bit of a workout. Oh, the other thing is, it's obviously a Japanese culture to take your shoes off before entering any building, and which is fine, but it felt a bit strange having slippers on, eating at the restaurant, and then once you've just eaten 6 courses, then you've got to put your shoes back on. I'll tell you what, that was hard. That was hard work. Had a massage today, just feeling so relaxed and so tired, but we got there in the end. A short walk back to the house, and here we have our panna cotta. with
A strawberry
strawberries.
sorbet and some sort of berry compote.
How is it?
I've never had panna cotta.
Oh, really?
No, never.
Sounds
It's
good.
actually alright.
Yeah.
It's like vanilla ice cream, but like jelly.
Yeah. All right.
But anyway,
I was about to say, I don't particularly really need this dessert because after COVID, we've been trying to lose a couple of kgs, and I'll tell you, it's hard work.
we've been trying to lose weight for this experience, and
Yeah.
it's been hard.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to put it down to COVID.
So I know we've shown you the spa quite a few times, but you haven't seen it at night. Ooh la la.